So OnePlus13, which is going to release soon in India. Let's talk about this mobile's features. First of all, this mobile comes with a 6.82 inches of curved display, and it is going to be a 1 billion color supported 10-bit panel, and it is a 144 Hz refresh supported display, which is a dynamic AMOLED 2X display, which is a 2K plus resolution display, protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And when we talk about the processor, this mobile is coming with the latest upcoming flagship processor, that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, or the Elite processor according to the name. And there are different RAM and internal storage variants for this mobile, starting with the 8GB RAM 256 and 12GB RAM 512GB and 12GB RAM 1TB. There is also a news until now that this mobile will comes with the extreme storage and RAM variant, that is 24GB of RAM and 1TB of internal storage. Now these are UFS 4.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR6 or 5x RAM types. When we talk about the cameras, this is the section where we can observe a improvement from the older generation. That is, this mobile comes with the triple cameras at the back, 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, that is YOT808 sensor, which is the latest sensor, and a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and also a 50 megapixels of periscopic zoom camera. You can zoom up to 100x. For the front also, it comes with a 50 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. Yes, that is an improvement. When we talk about the battery, even though the last generation OnePlus 12 has the bigger battery, like the 5500 mAh, from this generation they are increasing the battery life, that is 6000 mAh of battery, and also it supports 120 watts of fast charge the wire, and it also supports 50 watts of wireless charge and 4.5 watts of reverse wireless charge. When we talk about this mobile's other features, like when we talk about this mobile's operating system, it comes with the Arnold version 15 out of the box with the latest Oxygen OS. When we talk about this mobile's durability, this is a complete metal and glass build. Front and back glass, and the side is the frame, that is metal. When we talk about this mobile's the other features, like this mobile comes with the stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack as well. And when we talk about this mobile's sensors, this mobile comes with all the sensors like proximity sensor, gyroscope, and accelerometer, everything, compass, everything. This mobile also comes with the NFC feature. When we talk about this mobile's box contents, this mobile comes with a charger and a cable, Type-C cable, and also a SIM ejector tool and a TPU case probably included in the box of this mobile. So these are the things that you will get with this box when you purchase the mobile. And one more important thing, that this mobile's connectivity. This mobile comes with almost like 22 5G bands, and it comes with a Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi support, and Bluetooth 5.4 or 5.5, the latest versions. So that's all about this mobile. And when we talk about the pricing, this mobile might comes with a price tag of 67,000 rupees to 74,000 rupees. I mean, like the 67,999 to 74,999, almost 65 to 75,000 rupees, in between those range this mobile releases. So by the end of this year or by the starting of the next year, this mobile we can see this mobile in the India. So wait until the mobile releases and purchase the mobile, and do let me know in the comment section down below which video do you want to see from my channel next. So thanks for watching, and subscribe and share this video.